Hi everyone, welcome back to Power Platform with Bharat. If you have been working with Power Apps, Power Automate or Power BI, you have probably heard one word again and again. Yes, it's Dataverse. Maybe you have even used it, but still feel a bit confused about what actually is. Don't worry, in today's video I am going to break it down in the simplest way possible. You will clearly understand what database is, why Microsoft pushing it so much, how it's different from other database, and the most important, what do you need to learn to become confident with it. Also, I will share a PDF so you can easily revise everything before interview. I will keep super simple. If you have any doubt, feel free to drop a comment. So let's go. So let's start the basics. What exactly is Dataverse? In one line, Dataverse is a cloud-based data platform from Microsoft that lets you store and manage data used by business applications in a secure and structured way. Now don't just think of it as a Dataverse. That's the mistake most beginners make. Dataverse is more than storage. It's come with building structure, security, business logic, and relationship already set up for you. Think of it like this. If a normal database is like an empty plot, Dataverse is like a fully constructed building. Foundation, walls, electricity, security system, everything already in one place. You just need to move in and start customizing rooms according to your needs. Inside Dataverse, data is stored in something called tables, earlier called entities. For example, if you are building a CRM like solution, you will have tables like customers, orders, and products. Each table has columns, just like an Excel sheet, but more power behind it relationships, validation, security rules, and business rules. And here's the important part Dataverse is a common data layer for the entire Power Platform Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, and even Copilot Studio. They can all read and write to same Dataverse table. So instead of every app having its own separate database, everything connected in one shared, secure source of truth. Now the big question, why can't we just use SharePoint list or Excel or a normal SQL database? And why does Microsoft push us towards Dataverse? Let me give you a few practical reasons one by one. Reason 1, relationship between data. In SharePoint or Excel, collecting two lists together, like linking a customer to their multiple orders, is painful and often breaks. In Dataverse, relationship between tables are native. You just set up it once and lookups, related records, and cascading rules all work automatically. Reason 2, security at row and column level. Dataverse lets you control exactly who can see what, down to a specific row or even a specific column. For example, a sales representative can see only their own customer records, while a manager can see whole team data. This kind of fine granted security is very hard to build manually in Excel or SharePoint. Reason 3, business logic built in. You can add business rules, calculated columns, and validation directly on the table. So, if a discount should never exceed 20%, Dataverse can enforce that automatically, no matter which app is writing the data. Reason 4, one platform, many applications. Since Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, and Copilot Studio all connected to the same Dataverse table. Your data stay consistent everywhere. Update a record in one application and it reflects instantly in all the others. Reason 5, scalability and reliability. Dataverse is built for enterprise scale. It handles millions of records, has automatically backups, auditing, and it is trusted by large organizations. Something a simple SharePoint list was never designed for. Now a question I get a lot. What is database? It's just another database like SQL Server or MySQL or something different. If you have ever had this confusion, this video will clear it completely in the next few minutes. So let's not go into boring definition. I will explain this in real world simple way, like you are building an app. Imagine you want to build a business application. You need data storage, you need security, you need business logic, and you need integration. Now the question is, do you want to build everything from scratch? Or do you want to something already built for you? That's where the difference starts. First, start with SQL Server and MySQL. These are powerful database, no doubt. But here is the catch. If you use them, you have to design your database, write store procedures, handle security manually, build APIs for integration. Basically, you do everything yourself. So I call this full control but full responsibility. Second, SharePoint. Now comes SharePoint list. This like I want something quick and simple. Very easy to set up, few click and done. Good for a small app but not scalable, limited logic, basic security. So it's good for small tasks, not real enterprise app. Now other databases like MongoDB or Cosmos DB. This is highly scalable, flexible structure. But again, you still need build logic, manage security, handle everything in code. So again, developer heavy work. And last, Dataverse. Dataverse is not just a database, it's a database plus business platform, meaning tables ready, security already built in, business rules, no code, integration with Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, and more. So instead of building everything, you just focus on building your business application. Let me simplify everything in one line. SQL and MySQL, you need to build everything yourself. SharePoint quick but limited. MongoDB and Cosmos DB flexible but developer heavy. And Dataverse ready-made business platform. Let's say you are building a lead management app. With SQL, you write backend, APIs, security, and logic. With Dataverse, just create the table, apply the rules, and connect Power Apps, then done. So in short, Dataverse give you the power of a database with the simplicity of low code. And that's why it's preferred for business application, fast development, and secure systems. Now let's talk about the roadmap. If you want to become genuinely good at Dataverse, here are the core topics you should learn step by step. First, table and columns. Understand standard versus custom tables. Columns, data types like text, choice, lookup, currency, and date. And how tables map to real business object. Second, relationship. One to many to one, and many to many relationship between tables. And how lookups connect records together. Third, forms and view. How data is displayed to users, main forms, quick read form, and view filter for list of records. Fourth, business rules and calculated columns. No code logic to validate data. Auto calculate values and roll up child record data into a parent record. Fifth, security models. Business unit, security roles, teams, and field level security. Control exactly who can see and edit what. Six, relationship with Power Platform tools. How Power Apps, Power Automate, Flow, and Power BI reports all connect to Dataverse tables. Seven, plugins and Power Automate. Automating action when data changes, for example, sending a notification when a record is created or updated. 8. Solution. How to package tables, apps, flows, and customization together so you can move them clearly from the one development environment to production environment. This is critical for real projects. 9. Environments. Understanding dev, test, and production environments and how Dataverse live inside Power Platform environments. You don't need to master all of these in one day. My suggestion is spend one focused week on tables, relationships, and security first, since everything else is built on top of that foundation. Alright, enough theory. Let's actually go inside Dataverse and build something live. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to create a real table step by step, no coding at all. First, open your browser and go to make.powerapps.com. Make sure you are in the correct environment. You can switch it from the top right. Now from the left hand side, click on tables. You will see some default tables already created, like account, contacts. These are standard Dataverse tables. Now click on new tables. You will see 4 options here. Let me quickly explain when to use each one. Start with Copilot. If you want to AI generate a table for you, just describe your requirement. Great for beginners. Second, import from SharePoint list. If you have already data in SharePoint, you just bring it into Dataverse. Third, import from Excel. Use if you already have data in Excel and want to convert it into a table. And last, blank table. And this is what we will use when we want to full control and create everything from scratch. Let's go with blank table. So here first give your table name like let's say project and then click on 3 dots, go to property. As soon as you type, you will notice something called a schema name. It's auto generated. This prefix like CRB5B underscore comes from the environment or publisher. It's used internally to make sure your table names are unique. Don't worry too much about it. Just remember it's important for backend identification. Click on View Data. Right now it's only one column because we haven't added any custom columns yet. Now let's add some custom columns. First edit this column. Project name, data type, it's text, required it's yes. Because every project should have a name. Making a field required means user cannot save a record without filling it. Click Save. Now let's add more column. Click New column, start date, data type date only. And it's not required. It depends on business need. Click Save. Now add another column. Status, data type, choice. Add option like not started, in progress, and completed. Choice columns are very useful when you want to control values, no random inputs. Click Save. Once everything is done, click Save and Exit. Now it will take few seconds depend on your internet connection. Once the table created, just open the table and here you can see all properties of your table. You can customize as well. Now click Forms and here you can see Main Form, Quick Form and Card. It's automatically created for you. Click on Main Forms. You will see all columns are already there automatically. That's the beauty of Dataverse. No manual UI design needed. Now here's the best part. This same table is instantly available in Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI and all Power Platform applications. No extra setup, no API, everything connected automatically. See how simple that was. No code, no complex database design. Just point, click and secure the structured table is ready. Alright, let's quickly recap what we covered today. First, Dataverse. Dataverse is a Microsoft Cloud data platform that powers the entire Power Platform. We need it because it gives us relationships, security, and business logic out of the box, things that are painful to build manually in SQLs or SharePoint. And compared to traditional database, it trades a bit of raw flexibility for massive productivity gain. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It generally helps this challenge grow. Subscribe to Power Platform with Bharat if you're serious about learning Power Apps, Power Automate, and database from scratch. And drop a comment below which topic you want to next. I will try to explain you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.